Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are comfortable with lowercase ABCD. Today, lowercase alphabets. Today, we will be writing alphabets from A to Z together in a one frame. Okay, so you can take a look at how beautiful it looks. Okay, um, let's start with this. First, we'll start with a oval, a slanting line, and you need to double it from here. Okay. Okay. Then we'll go for B. You can extend B up to 4 lines because it is a tall letter. See this ABCD you should be knowing on your own. Okay, you should not be referring to what you have done earlier. Okay, and a curve and a doubling. See, I am not using any kind of creativity over here, but you can use. Okay, and then C. You can take a stroke over here, you can take a stroke over here also. Try to maintain the same distance over here. Okay, and then D, again D, a slanting stroke. You need to color that up. Okay, and an oval over here and double it. Okay, then comes your E. E is just an extension of C. Okay, see, I am writing it continually. Okay, but you write properly, like just 4 letters in one line. Okay, then E should be written down. I am not writing like this because I am just showing you. Okay, but when you are writing, you should be writing it very beautifully and write along with your creativity also. So I'll be very happy to look into it. Okay, I am using continuation, but you write just 4 letters in one line. Okay, then we'll go for letter F. Again, F can be extended up to 4 to 5 lines. Okay, you can extend this. Okay, F, then you'll go for G. Then H. See, H का formation अच्छे से करना. Okay, otherwise it will not look good. You find it easy, but it's not that easy. Okay, I is very simple. Take it a bit slant. Okay, bit slant ले लो उसको. Then J, J is again a very easy one. Then K. Okay. Then M, L, M, see, to concentrate on your doubling and coloring part, because many of them are facing these problems, but till now this should be cleared out. Okay. Then your N is just same like N. You can bring a stroke over here also. Okay, it's totally up to you how beautifully you're writing it. Okay, by adding some of the elements, but it should look good. Okay. Then O is just an oval. Double it from here, and just a stroke over here that also needs to be double out. Okay. Yeah. Then we'll go for a letter P. Also P you can extend up to 4 lines. But keep a standardized format. Okay, if you are going for 4, then go for 4 only. If you're going for 3, then go for 3 only. Okay. Then Q, you can like it like this also, or you can write it the other way also. Whatever you find it easy, you can. I have shown you 2-3 patterns. Okay. Then R, okay. Then S, T is just similar to L. Just a stroke over here. Okay. U is very easy. V, okay. W, then X, and Y, last but not the least, it will be Z. Okay. See, now the ABCD has been completed. See how beautiful it looks. All the letters are so beautifully now you can't say that it's been written by a normal pen. No one can tell you that. It's so beautiful. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this session, and yeah, there's a lot more to learn. Happy learning. Bye bye.